It is Damien from Marketing Food Online. I'm actually here early in my office. The video that you're about to see is something a little bit different than I normally do. It has nothing to do with food business due to the coronavirus situation. I actually had a handful of my family members who contacted me about where they can get food online because some of the local stores are running low, and a lot of people are really overreacting, I believe, just to panicking too much. There's a lot of food resources online. If you have access to the internet, you have access to a lot of food that can be delivered to your door. So really quick, I'm just doing this video to help out whoever it can. So there's about 6 or 7 websites I actually show you here that have everything from meats to proteins. If you're looking for proteins or beans or rice, these are websites that's still in stock and a lot of stuff. I can't guarantee what it's actually in stock of by the time you see the video, but if it helps you guys out, that's the reason why I put it together. So I hope it does. Hey guys, this video I'm actually going to do a little something different due to this coronavirus situation. I had a handful of a couple of my family members who were asking me where they could get additional supplies of food because their local stores were really packed or they were in long lines. So this video, I'm actually trying to help anybody out there who is looking to find some type of online food suppliers, as well as for meats and any of the other types of food and snacks and those types of things. So I'm actually going to just show you guys really quick. These are really great websites. I can't guarantee that all this stuff is actually in stock. You'll have to definitely check this out for yourself. But I'll give you at least the names, and then if you need to, down in the description, I'll give you a link directly to these websites, and you can check them out. But there's a lot of these places online. If it's locally that you can't find something, think outside the box, guys, and know that there's a lot of online e-commerce businesses who definitely can use the business. Plus, they sell food. So the first one is Farm Foods Market, farmfoodsmarket.com. And I said, don't worry, I'll have the links down below. You can check out those links too, and then go ahead and see what you can get. Now, when you first sign on, remember, you can actually get on farmfoodsmarket.com. A lot of these websites, when you first come onto them, they'll give you a discount, a 10% off coupon. So just sign up. You can put your email on there, and they'll give you a 10% off of your first order. So if you're looking to buy like meat, if you need snacks, if you need meats, if you need rice, beans, I'm going to show you. We've got 6 or 7 websites here. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 7 websites I'm going to show you where you can actually order stuff and have it delivered. Okay. So number one, this one here is fantastic. It's farmfoodsmarket.com. They have chicken, beef, pork, and a ton of stuff. Now, I've looked at a lot of these websites already, and many of them still have products in stock. Now, of course, I can't guarantee after this video posts, but check it out, okay? So don't go panicking. There's no need to freak out. Locally, if you can't find something, these websites are definitely going to help you out. This one in particular is beef. They've got pork. They also have chicken. And it's a lot of these also on this specific website are naturally raised, very healthy for you, protein. But look at all these different proteins. You get different cuts of meats, porks, bacon, and there's a lot. And of course, like I said, sign up and you get yourself a 10% off, okay? So the first one is that one. Let's go over to the next one, Omaha Steaks. Omaha Steaks, I'm actually placing an order today myself on here. Omaha Steaks has a lot of stuff still in stock. There's only like this 1 or 2 items here and there. These types of items, if you're looking for meats and things, this is definitely, look at all of these different cuts. They also have a ton of pork, chicken, and all the filet mignon steaks, sirloins, ribeyes, all of these different types of cuts. They also have seafood. They have meals if you need a meal and you guys are running low on food. Again, don't panic and overreact. There's a lot of food and plenty of food, guys, okay? Take a look at what they got here. They got shrimp, salmon, tilapia, halibut, all kinds of different cuts of fish, okay? And again, Omaha Steaks. This one is fantastic. This is Nutstop. Nutstop has a ton of beans. If you're looking for dried beans for your family, they have a ton of beans. They have rice. They have brown rice. They have white rice. They have all kinds of stuff. You get it by the bag. You can get the mixed beans. This website, nutstop.com, has a ton of different types of products, okay? So far, I haven't noticed anything out. It just says that it's a little longer to process, okay? They're not out of stock on a lot of stuff here, but just longer processing time. Now, keep in mind, when you see this video, by the time everyone looks, I'm not going to guarantee that they have it all in stock, okay? But do take a look. They have different type of beans. It just goes on. They have a lot of stuff. Okay, next site, nuts.com. I love this website. They have like 6,000 or 7,000 products. Now, like beef jerky. If you're looking for something that's shelf stable for, like, if you're prepping or if you want to start prepping or something like that, they have a beef jerky in here as well, a variety of jerkies that you can get. Let me go back over here and show you. This is nuts.com. Jerky. Here we go. See all these different types of, they have a whole variety of beef jerky, which is great for stocking and shelving, for a long period of time. Beef jerkies. They have snacks. They have dried fruits, nuts, superfoods, of course, snacks like cheesy snacks, jerky, spicy crackers, corn nuts. There's a lot of food on here, guys, that you can get. Coffee, if you need coffee, it's low. Locally, you can't find coffee. There you go. Okay. Next one up. And again, you get this one here has a discount. Right when you get ready to place your order, put your email and they'll give you a discount on this. Kansas City Steaks, kansascitysteaks.com. They have meats, lamb, pork, turkey, ham, chicken, steaks, beef, ground chuck, prime rib, veal, seafood. There's just plenty of stuff. So if you can't find it locally, I'm just trying to help out whoever I can here, just to kind of calm some fears about the food thing. Okay, so all of these are just loaded with different foods: seafood, steak burgers, chickens, meals, you name it, they got it. Next one, the Home Bistro. This one's pretty cool, guys. Check the link down below again in the description. This will take you over to the Home Bistro, and you can get a 10%. Use this code SAVE10, 10% for home delivery. These are great ideas, guys, because again, if you can't find a lot of these proteins like meats and such in your local area, these are delivered to your house. These are the meals, right? Ready-made meals, like 10 whole meals for like $175 and so on and so on. Pick out whatever one you're looking for. Paleo, they have a lot, okay? Even some with full-blown like orzo, pasta, broccoli, like the full meal, okay? So if you need food delivered to your house, bingo, right here, okay? And I got one more, and then I'll wrap it up. Jimmy P's. This is a butcher and deli shop, okay? And they ship all kinds of fantastic. They have veal. They have hot dogs. Let me go up here. They have heritage Berkshire pork. They have some even gourmet burgers, hot dogs, meat packages, homemade items, seasoning sauces, a lot of food. They even have veal. So if you're looking again for meat foods that you can't find locally due to the coronavirus, check out these websites. So just trying to put this out there to help you guys. All right, take care.